Mercedes A-Class. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. To navigate through instrument cluster, we are going to use this panel. Now, use left and right arrow to switch menu on the instrument cluster. Use top and bottom arrow to navigate through current menu. Use OK button to confirm or reset and go back by pressing this button. So now we can find here trip info, navigation info, audio info, telephone, assistance menu, service menu, settings. In settings we can manage instrument cluster, lights, vehicle. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.